Welcome back. Now I am going to show you what WooCommerce is. So WooCommerce is what allows the website to accept orders, to accept payments, and so much more. It's the standard for what Trinidad and Tobago uses to make payments. So let's get into it. WooCommerce is appropriately listed as WooCommerce on the dashboard. We can click that. Upon clicking it, you will see some notices here. We can ignore this. If we come into orders under WooCommerce, you would see a list of all your orders that you had previously received. We have none on this dummy or test website, so we would not see any. If we click customers, it allows us to view their username, when they were last active, the date they registered, and some other information like their address, their total spend, their average order volume, and all of their past orders. You can even export this to a CSV file for your accountant. If we click coupons, you can easily add a coupon here to run sales on your website. In another video, we would get into adding coupons and how to configure them, but it's quite easy if you want to explore. Then we can click reports. Reports gives you a graph and an idea of how your store is doing, from gross sales, net sales, the orders that have been placed, and you can even filter by year, month. There are some other categories as well. If you want to view your customers and how they are doing, or even the stock of items, you can view that right here. So over here, you can go and easily find all of your low in stocked, most in stocked, or out of stock products. The WooCommerce Marketplace subscriptions and status is nothing you might be exploring anytime soon, I believe. It doesn't really add much to your store. Now, one thing we want to get into is definitely the settings. So if we click settings, you would see more options pop up. Here you can add your store address, and of course scroll to the bottom and press save. Here you can select the settings about your products, but I would suggest you leave all of these settings the same. In another video, we will be highlighting how to set shipping policies. But everything else, from advanced integration, emails, accounts, and privacy, are things that are already set up by us, the developers, so you do not need to set them up. Chances are, if you have shipping policies, we would have set them up for you as well, but we would still like to show you how to edit it. So in the next video, we shall show you how to edit shipping. But let's click payments. Here you will see all of your payment gateways, like direct bank transfer, check, cash on delivery. And if you want to edit something, let's say the bank transfer information, let's say you've got a new bank account and you want to edit that, you can simply click the manage button that's located here and edit the account name by simply typing, edit the account number, bank name, and SWIFT code. The sort code and IBAN can be ignored. You don't necessarily need that, but I would recommend adding the SWIFT. And that's how you can edit it. If we select payments again, you can actually turn off a payment method by just selecting the button here if you don't want persons to use it again, and press save. And that will be it for this video.